Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys, and I hope you guys can see me, hear me very clearly, right? Chalo, sir. Welcome to everyone. But before we start today's class, let me just talk about this. So I've talked about this multiple times, but again, this is our newest offering for all of you. That is SSC Super Practice. So again, please understand, if you are one of the existing super elite candidates, this will be then free for everyone. Yesterday's class, I saw a comment. It was not free. It is free for for our super elite users, not for everyone. So let me just clarify that first. So super practice means what you will get extra. So you will get total 1,000 plus tests, or in total 6 plus 1, 7 different levels of QRE covering both tier 1 as well as tier 2 examinations. Perfect, sir. Uh, Panmay, very good evening, brother. Very good evening. So let me just talk about this. Say, you see, in quant, you will see there that's like all the syllabus, all of your syllabus is divided in these parts in topic wise form. Let's say if we move into partnership. So what you will get, sir, in partnership, you will see you will get total level 1, level 2, level 3, three tests for practice. Along with you will get past year papers, most repetitive question paper, like the questions from past few years, and speed improvement test. And last but not the least, it will be revision test, which will be made live before your examination for a very quick revision. So this is for each and every topic that you will be getting. So this is our newest offering. Please, if you are all one of the existing super elite users, please feel free. Please take the advantage of this amazing practice tool actually. Okay? Chalo, sir. Now, for today, from my class or from my end, we will be doing the sectional mock 2. Now, again, I will try. We will target we can solve at least 20 questions. So again, let's see how many we can do. So first question for all of you will be this one, sir. First question will be this one. A question from height and distance. Argamita, very good evening. Long time after I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you after a long time, sir. Chalo. So first question, sir, need answers from everybody. Chalo. 40 seconds time. Jaldi se banao. It is almost done. I should be getting answers by now. Amlesh, Argamita, both are saying 45. Very good. Very. Are. Now you're okay? Yes, Amlesh, perfect. That is what I wanted. That is the technique, the best technique. What is the angle of elevation of the sun from a top of a vertical pole when its height is equal to the length of its shadow? Chalo, badhiya. So meaning, sir, ultimately what will happen in this situation? So there is a pole like this. Chalo. And there is this. Now, sir, sun is somewhere here, sir. Sun will be somewhere here, sir. So again, please understand the shadow. Sun will be here, right? The shadow, this will be the shadow, sir. This will be the length of the shadow. Now, please understand, they are like saying the length of the shadow and the length of the pole both are actually same. Meaning this is an isosceles triangle, right angle isosceles triangle. That means this is 45 degrees. 45, 90 triangles. And they're asking, like this is what is the angle of elevation, sir? Sir, angle of elevation must be, sir, 45 degrees. So option number 3 is the correct answer, sir. Option number 3 will be the correct answer. Very simple question. Very simple. This is equal word. Whenever you see, just go with 45. Perfect. Next one, sir. Next one, sir, from a geometry standpoint. Please do. Please do. I'll be giving you a few seconds. चलो मैं कुछ seconds का आप लोगों को time दे देता हूँ. 40 seconds, please. Give me the answer, sir. Argamita, okay, perfect. Good to hear. Again, you see, this is the time to prepare. So please make sure you guys are healthy. Because if like the body is not permitting, the mind won't either. So it's very, very important to stay safe. We don't have even a month remaining for the exam. चलो सर जल्दी से बताओ आंसर. 9 centimeter. I got the first answer. Amlesh, any answers, brother? 9. Very, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, बढ़िया, बढ़िया. I got answers from Marghamita and Amlesh. Very good. Chalo, let's see. A circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD touching these sides. Chalo, ठीक है. So let's draw the diagram, sir, first. Sir, there is a quadrilateral and the circle is touching all its sides. Acha. So this is how the quadrilateral looks. Let's name it A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So they are at points P, Q. Acha, AB will be, this is P point, sir. Then, sir, BC is, sir, Q. This is R and this is S. BP is given as 4. Sir, BP is given as 4. Acha, if this is 4, acha, let me use another color. If this thing is 4, sir, then this thing is also 4. Because from an external point, two of the tangents, both their lengths are always same. So these two are equal. Similarly, sir, HD is 6. This is 6, so this is also 6. BC is 7, sir. BC is 7. This whole thing is 7. So this is 4 means this is 3. Because then only the total is 7. They're asking DC ka value. DC means this. So it's very simple. If it is 3, sir, this is also 3. So DC will be, sir, 6 plus 3, 9 centimeter. It was a very simple question. Very, very, very simple question. Perfect, sir. So all about drawing the figure and figuring out. There is only one theorem that we required for this question. Chalo, next one. This will be in centimeter square. Chalo, badhiya. This is a question from CGL 24. Suddenly they have asked us this question. Suddenly they have asked us this question. Those who know, who, like knows. What is specific question is this one? Again, learn it if you don't already know. If you don't already know, learn it, sir. मैं थियोरी पार्ट भी बता देता हूँ थोड़ा. चलो चलो, need answers. At least give me answers. Amlesh, Argamita, everybody else. A few answers. Panmay, answer. Answers. बताओ. Area of a sector, जिसका perimeter we know, and the central angle also we know. Central angle also we know. Perimeter also we know, sir. Tell me the answer. Think. I can give you a minute. I can give you guys a minute. No worries. But again, I need the answer. Need the answer, sir, from everyone. No answers yet. चलो मैं ही बता देता हूँ. This is a question that was asked in CGL 2024. So again, if you don't know, please see this. थोड़ा बेसिक से करेंगे, so like समझ लो पहले. एरिया चाहिए सर. I know the perimeter and the central angle. So using these two information, na sir, we can figure out the radius. कैसे? Sir, please understand. Let me just draw it. Let me just draw it, sir. So let's say this is the sector. This is the sector. Now perimeter will be what, sir? So this is radius, and this is the circumference, part of the circumference or the arc. This is given, so I don't know, but again I know this central angle is 60 degrees. Sir, arc length, so anybody will find. Arc length, S or L, whatever you are familiar with, use that. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r, 2 pi into r, sir. So this is 1/6. So 2, 3. So this is pi into r by 3, sir. Correct? Now they have given you this as 64 divided by 3. Now perimeter is not this. This is only the arc length, this part, sir. So perimeter will be what, sir? This arc length plus this r and this r. So ultimately this is 2r, r plus r plus. This is pi into r by 3. So I'm just taking 22, 7 into 3, so 21 into r. That is equal to 64 by 3 given to us. I can figure out my r now. कैसे काम करो सर, 2 से कैंसिल ही करता हूँ. So 21 plus 11 is how much, sir? 32. R by 21, that is equal to 32 by 3, sir. 32, 32, 3, 7. So R comes out to be 7, sir. Radius. Now radius, once I can find, and I know this 60 degree, so I can figure out the area. Sir, how to get the area? Area is a theta by 360. 60 by 360 into pi r square. Pi to hai nahi, so definitely I'll need to put 22 by 7. R square, R is 7, sir. So it is 7 square means 7 into 7. So this is 1/6. Ye 7 chala gaya. This is 3. This is, sir, 11. So 77 by 3 is the answer. 77 by 3. Option number 2 is your correct answer. So I have got B, B, B. Yes, Amlesh, Argamita, good life, everyone correct. Very, very good. But again, you see, this is a question from 2024 CGL. बहुत ही recent question. Generally, they don't really ask this much. They generally ask you this. एक question ऐसे भी आया था, arc length into radius से जो area का formula है, based on that. So while we are covering this, keep that. Please revise that if you don't know that already. Please do. Mensuration, sir. Mensuration, sir. Most of the initial first part of the paper are made of advanced maths. Chalo. Acha, I'm giving you 40 seconds. 40 second time, sir. मेरा गला थोड़ा बैठा हुआ है, so again, if you don't hear anything, na, please do let me know. Please do let me know. Chalo, please. Do it, sir. Do it, sir. Answers, answers. Time up. Any answer, sir? Any answer? Till now, I haven't got any answers. Chalo, dekh. The height of a cylinder is 2/3 of its diameter. Perfect. Volume is equal to the volume of a sphere whose radius is this. Acha, sir. That means, please understand, cylinder ka, about the cylinder, nothing is given like concrete. So, but the volume of sphere, the radius of the sphere is given. So let's start from there. Volume of the sphere is 4/3 into pi into r cube. Correct? Now whenever they are saying volume is equal, now do not put value of pi and don't even calculate. We'll cancel. We'll try to cancel. बाद में देखा जाएगा. Now, height of this cylinder is what? 2/3 of the diameter. 2/3 of the diameter. Diameter means twice of radius. So it means I can write h is equal to 4/3 into r. Achha, I should write r of cylinder, rc. And ठीक है? So that because there is another radius of sphere as well. So abhi batao sir, what will be the volume? Pi into r square. R square is r square, you write rc square into h. H is what, sir? 4/3 rc, sir. Sir, 4/3 gone, pi gone. So rc cube, it is equal to 4 cube. So I can simply write the radius of the cylinder is 4. Abhi pucha kya hai, sir? Curved surface area 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r, pi, you see options are with using pi. So I'll not put values of pi. Pi rehne de. 2 pi r h. R is, sir, 4. H, sir, 4/3 of this. 4/3 of 4. So this will be 4 cube 64, 128 pi divided by 3, sir. Khatam. Kahan par hai? Option number 3. Option number 3, sir. Answers 32 pi. Huh? 32 pi. Amlesh. Yes, good life. Your answer is correct. मैं आपका नाम फिर से भूल गया. Yes, 128/3 pi is the answer. 120, this thing, yeah. Arghamita, perfect, yes. So that's the answer. Chalo, next one, sir. बोलोगे सर आपको क्वेश्चंस इतना बड़ा क्यों मिलता है? Please understand. देखो, basic questions we can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But do these questions. These are all selected questions. I've not taken very like aisa vaisa questions. So all these questions are very well curated. अच्छा questions मैंने उठाए. Most of these are PYQs already have been asked. It's not like it's up to me कि भाई मैं आपको difficult question दूं. Simple questions these are. चलो 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 सर, need answers. थोड़ा answers चाहिए. Answers 9.5. Amlesh has given answer as option number 3. Very good, very good, very good speed. I want this speed from everybody. सबको ये speed चाहिए. 8.5 Arghamita. Option 2. अरे let's see. Arghamita ने comment भी delete कर दिया. अच्छा, this you are also getting 9.5. Okay, perfect then. तब तो बढ़िया है सर. अरे देखो फिर से करो. हाँ सर, अभी ठीक है. अच्छा, in a partnership firm, two partners, Vijay and Praveen, are working on an assignment. It will take 12 weeks for Vijay to complete the entire assignment alone, and Praveen takes 8 weeks. Okay? Due to work pressure, they decided to work on the assignments on the alternate week basis. First week Praveen, then Vijay, and so on. So it's very simple, sir. Let's see. So there are two persons, Vijay and Praveen. Efficiency ratio directly निकाल लेते हैं. How? Sir, whatever time Praveen is taking, put it under Vijay, and this is 12. Because 1/12, 1/8 means I have done it directly, sir. So if you do this, this is 2, this is 3. So Vijay can do 2 units every week. Praveen can do 3 units every week. Sir, another thing that we need before we can start with our story, total work. Sir, either take Vijay or Praveen. Vijay ka lete, sir. Vijay is taking 2 units. Vijay is doing 2 units and taking 12 weeks. So total, sir, 24 units is the total work. This much we all know. This much we all know. Now they have started the work on alternate basis. पहले कौन आया, sir? First week Praveen. So that means the alternate is this: Praveen, Vijay, Praveen, Vijay, Praveen, Vijay, and this will continue. Now I told you in case of alternate, you need to take packets. You need to take packets, sir. Packets meaning, sir, uniform packets you need to take. So packets ऐसे ले लो. Every packet is of 2 weeks. Every packet is of 2 weeks. And also, every packet means how much unit of work is getting done. So 2 units Vijay is doing, 3 units Praveen is doing. That means that they are doing how many units? 5 units. They are doing 5 units of work and they need to complete 24. They need to time and work model. Vignesh, yes, absolutely. Alternate one. Now, please understand, sir. That means if I take if I take four such packets, how much unit of work will be completed, sir? Sir, every packet is 5 units. 4 packets means 20 units of work is done. 20 is done. Remaining is, sir, 4 units. 24 may say out of 24, 20 is done, 4 is remaining. Who will do this 4 units? Who will come and do this 4 units? You will say, sir, samjho. Once a packet ends, next day who comes to work? Again, sir, Praveen will come to work. Then Vijay, then Praveen, then Vijay. So Praveen will come and Praveen on the first day, he will complete 3 units out of this. So that means 1 unit will be remaining. This 1 unit will be done by whom? This 1 unit will be done by the next day by Vijay, sir. So Vijay will take half a day to complete this because Vijay does 2 units, sorry, half a week to complete this. Vijay does 2 units every week. So total time taken will be how much? Let's see. So total 4 packets. That means 8 days, sir. Plus this is 1 day, 3 units. Plus this is half a day for the remaining 1 unit. So your answer will be, sir, 9.5, option number 3. This is the simple way, no shortcut, like simple conceptual way. And you see, it should not. I am explaining. Otherwise, it should not take you more than 60, like 50 seconds. 50 seconds is more than enough. 5 units, 9 whole 1/2. Yes, perfect. I hope this is clear, sir. Hope this is clear, sir. Age is not wages, huh? ये कहाँ से W लेके चला है पता नहीं. Tell me the answer, sir. Simple question, the simplest of the lot. The simplest of the lot, sir. Tell me the answer to this. Tell me the answer to this question. 10, 10, 10, 10. Argamita is saying 10. Very good. चलो चलो और कुछ. Sir, देखो, in this situation, the best option is to go by options. बहुत ज्यादा कुछ सोचो ही मत, sir. देखो, you can do 25 minus x, 30 minus x, 3/4. Just check for the options, na. 20, 15, 5, 10. First things first. 25 minus whatever you do, it must be a multiple of 3 because it's 3:4. So 25 minus 20 gives you 5, not a multiple. Minus 15 gives you 10, not a multiple. Minus 5 gives you 20, not a multiple. Minus 10 is 15, that's a multiple, that's the only possible answer. That is the only possible answer. Dekho, I have not done a single line. We don't need pen, paper, anything to solve this question. Just go with the multiple concept. Why I have taken 3? Because 4 ka multiple hona chance. The chance of getting a 4 multiple is higher. But again, if you want, you can definitely try. If you want, you can definitely try. उधर से भी कर सकते हो. 30 minus 20, 10 not a multiple. 15 not a multiple. 5. Odd values तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So that also is giving only 10 is the possible answer. Because 30 minus 10 is 20, which is a multiple of 4. Perfect, sir. Moving on, sir. चलो, वेटेड एवरेज का क्वेश्चन है. मैंने बता ही दिया सर. 40 सेकेंड्स. जल्दी बनाओ सर, जल्दी बनाओ. अमलेश, गुड लाइफ, परफेक्ट, जल्दी. Jaldi sir, need answers, need answers. Vignesh, answer. Vignesh, need answer. Jaldi se. No answers in the time limit. Calculation गड़बड़ है क्या? 45 students, the ratio of the number of boys and girls is given. Average score is given of boys. Average score of all the students is given. Average score of girls. Now, please understand, this is your dummy data. नहीं चाहिए भी. Because we all know whether we use our average or right, whether we use weighted average or allegation, whichever you prefer, you only need the ratio. ये नहीं चाहिए होता है. We don't really need it. चलो हम like I prefer to do it using allegation. थोड़ा अच्छा होता है. सर boys है, girls है. Sir, boys and girls का ratio is sir 4 ratio 5. Now what is happening, sir? What is happening? Average score of the boys is 78. Average score of the whole class is 76. I don't know this. So this has to be this value, na? This value, na, sir. It has to be. You see, this 76 lies between this value and this value. This has to be in the middle. So this value is less than 76. It must be. Please understand. ये एक चीज याद रखना हमेशा. Otherwise, you can get into a little bit of trouble. So this is 2. Now tell me, sir, I should do what? X minus 76 or 76 minus X? That is where people make mistakes. Because X is less, so I will definitely do 76 minus X. ये जो ratio है, you see, this is given as 4 ratio 5. ये दोनों equal है. So you just need to solve and get the answer from here. 76 minus X by 2. It is 4 by 5. Sir, if you calculate na sir, if you calculate 76 into 5 कितना आता है sir? By 2 कर दो 38. 380 minus 5x is equal to 8 sir. Sir, x will be 372 by 5. Sir, 5 division means do this. Multiply 2, divide 2. So 37 2s are 74, 744 by 10 means 74.4 marks. That's the average of the girls. Option number 4. Sir. Option number 4 is the answer. Yes, normal allegation. 74.4. Yes, Amlesh has also given us a very, very good method. Very good, brother. बहुत बढ़िया भाई. बहुत बढ़िया. Very, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. That's a very good method. Perfect. Yes, Amlesh. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Deviation से बहुत बढ़िया. But again, you need a little bit of maturity to understand that deviation. वो थोड़ा advanced deviation. ठीक है? चलो. But again, it will be easier. Sir, tell me the answer to this question. A very special type for compound, like from compound interest, sir. 10 second ka question if you know how to solve. If you know the concept, it should not take you more than 10 seconds. बताओ सर, बताओ सर, बताओ सर. 16 है. Perfect, perfect. Amlesh has given the correct answer, 16. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. Yes, sir, Gamita, 16. Perfect. Now, it will not take that much time. चलो मैं बता देता हूँ जल्दी से. अरे यार, रुक जाओ, फिर से गड़बड़. This timer has some issue. Acha, 3 times in 4 years. The absolute shortest way of doing it, sir, 3 times becomes in 4 years. 81 times is what power of 3? 3 to the power 4. The answer is this 4 into this 4, that is 16. That's the absolute shortcut. But again, very methodical, no need to remember this. Itna bhi, like if I do this for every question, aap log mere ko gali do. And again, that's not the optimum way to solve. Understand, sir? Understand. So this was P, it became 3P. In how many years? In 4 years time, sir. Meaning this is input, this is the machine, this is an input. What does like it do? Whatever input you give, it triples itself. That machine does what? P को 3p बना देता है, it triples. So now if this is my input, then what will happen after another 4 years? It will become, sir, 3 into 3, 9p. Another 4 years, sir, 27p. Another 4 years, sir, this is 81p. Sir, 81 times बन गया देखो. We have got 81 times. How many years? 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 into 4, sir. Total 16 years. Answer, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. So this is one way of thinking about this. This is a machine. It does what? It makes it triple. It makes it triple. This is very interesting concept of compound interest. It is always in GP, sir. हमेशा याद रखो, if the time difference is same, 2 years, then 4 years, then like say 6 years, 8 years. So this will always be in GP. Compound interest ka amount is always on GP. Perfect. Chalo, sir. Chalo, next one. Simple interest question. Very simple question. Simple interest, नाम में ही simple है. नाम में ही sir simple है. Please solve and tell me the answer. And again, if you're liking the session, it takes a lot of time to like find good quality questions. So please do hit the like. That's the only request that I have to all of you guys. Please. How much time will the simple interest on a certain sum of money become this much at this percentage? Sir, tell me. Sir, 6 by 5. Again, please understand, whenever you see percentage, simple interest is all about percentage. 6 by 5 times means 120%. 1/5 is 125. Sorry, one fifth is 20%. So simple interest will become 120%. And every year we are getting 20%. How many years? Do I need any pen paper? Absolutely no, we'll need 6 years. Do you need pen paper? No. Yes. Good life, Amlesh, Vignesh, Argamita. Very, very good. Yahi to tha. Another way many of you can think in this fashion. So this means 1 by 5. This is 6 by 5. In how many years? 6 times. This is multiple of 6. Khatam. Khatam, sir. Next one. Sir. Chalo jaldi se banao. 40 seconds again. You have again 40 seconds time. Jaldi se banao, sir. Jaldi se banao, sir. This is a very simple calculation. Please, I'll request keep it simple. Just keep it simple, sir. Don't make it complicated. 12.5D. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Chalo, I've got already a couple of answers. Very, very good. कैसे सर 5/8 of his articles. सर उनके पास 8 ही आर्टिकल था सर, मैंने assume ही कर लिया. Why? Why I can assume? Because they are asking a percentage. Percentage means it's a relative term. Percentage, ratio, all are relative terms. तो relative है तो हम कुछ भी assume कर सकते हैं. We can, that's in like in our hands. Sir, meaning 5 articles and 3 articles. 5/8 is 5 articles on which he has made a profit. These 3 articles he has not made any profit. He has got like let it go at the cost price. अच्छा 20% है ना सर. So हर एक आर्टिकल का CP is sir 5 rupees. Perfect. So he has made how many profit? How much profit, sir? So 5 rupees. और अच्छा if we don't really need it, ये normal भी करोगे तो चलेगा. हर एक आर्टिकल का CP is 1 rupee. चलो छोड़ दो. Sir 1 rupee. So 5 articles का 5 rupee. You will make 20% gain. Meaning sir 1 rupee gain है sir. He has made 1 rupee gain. But on the whole stock, because he has made 0 rupee gain, nothing. He has not made any gain. So total out of 8 rupee, on a stock of 8 rupee, he has made a profit of 1 rupee this one. So percentage they are asking. बच्चा भी बोलेगा sir 1/8 is 12.5%. So that's your option number 4. That's your option number 4. Yes, Panmay, Argamita, Amlesh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Simple questions. Next one. Discount. एक easy था, एक थोड़ा बड़ा है. One was easy, so this one's a little on the bigger side. 1 minute का time, जल्दी बनाओ. जल्दी बनाओ सर. जल्दी बनाओ सर. थोड़ा calculation you have to do. You have to do a little bit of calculation. No way you can actually avoid this. चलो 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 सर, जल्दी 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 answers. Amlesh has given answer very very good 65. Amlesh is saying 65. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good sir. चलो समझते हैं सर. First things first. First 30% discount on 92,000. Okay sir. So 92,000, 30% discount means SP will be 70%, sir. So this is 630 and said 14. 630 and 14 means 644. 00. So this is the SP without the membership card, remember. Because if you have a membership card, he will give you a little bit more discount. But sir, CP we don't know. CP we will get from this information. Cost price of the air conditioner is 70% below the marked price. So cost price will be, sir, 92,000 into 30%. So this is 27,276. Either you can do this or also you can say this is 70%, 30 will be minus kar do, वैसे भी आए. Both are same. Now please understand. Achha, so profit without the membership card, sir. Profit without the membership, because without the membership card, this is the selling price. He's not giving any other discount. So membership card, without WO. So the like discount is how much, or the like profit is how much, sir? 64400. This is 27,600. ये करोगे तो 800 आएगा. This is 28. So 34, 36. Sir. This is without the membership. This is profit. Now with the membership, he is giving another 20% profit. On what? On this. So without, like with the card, SP is how much, sir? 64,400 into. So 20% discount means 80%. 80% direct करते sir 4/5. ठीक है? Sir 5 means do into 2, do into 2. 1288, sir. 1288 and 10 into 4, sir. Because this 5 into 2, 10, 10, 10, 0 cancels. So it is 48,000, sir. And sir, 800, 3,200, sir. And sir, this is 320, sir. So this is 20551, 51 to 50. So how much is the profit, sir? How much is the profit? 51 to 50, sorry, 520, 27,600. So this is 20, this is 9, this is, sir, 28. So 28 means 30 say 21, 23, sir. They are asking this value is what percentage of this value, sir. ये जो है कितने परसेंट है? बाप रे, इतना कैलकुलेशन हो गया. 23920 is what percentage of 36800? I must have missed something. Otherwise, इतना बड़ा तो होना नहीं चाहिए. Otherwise, yes, Panmay. Let's see. I guess ignoring the actual value was the better bet. हमने ही थोड़ा ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन कर लिया because you see we percentage ही तो पूछा था ना. We if you don't take this 92,000 ना, that will be the better option. मैंने कर तो लिया तो क्या ही करे चलो. We didn't actually need it. We did not actually need it because अभी इसको भी calculate करना पड़ेगा. We must calculate this as well, which will be a little difficult. चलो क्या ही करे सर, कर लिया तो. 184 2 से सर 11 2 से 22 19 8 सर 6 फिर से 4 से ही करते सर. 4 से जाएगा 4 4 से 16 4 6 से this 4 4 4 4 2 से 8 39 4 9 से 36 4 9 से 36 ये 23 से कर दो सर. 23 1s are 23 3s are this and 2 5 so 5 into 13 65% answer. But again this is not a very good method. This is not a very good method sir. Yes, अमलेश ज्यादा इजी होगा if we had gone with ना normal calculation and last में हम multiple check कर सकते थे. Last में we should have checked the multiple. ये थोड़ा easy होता. Here I have made a mistake. I should have gone like that. ठीक है. So again, everybody please एक बार try करना घर में without solving the entire thing. This is not a very good method. मैंने कर तो लिया, but afterwards when I see this ना last में जब percentage देखा तब दिमाग में आया. देखो मिस हो गया सर. Perfect. Perfect sir. We could have gone with थोड़ा अच्छा method. ठीक है, कर लिया तो क्या ही करेंगे सर. चलो next one sir. Next one sir. Solve with exam hall method. विघ्नेश अच्छा कर देते हैं सर. Let's complete this उसके बाद कर देते. विघ्नेश एक्चुअली क्या है ना भाई, देखो just normal way में चलो सर. 100 rupees is mark price और 100x take 100. So discount of 70 means 30 means 70 rupees and CP is 30 rupees sir. Because CP is you see 70% less. मैं बता ही देता हूँ. 30 हो गया. Now if you have a membership ID, so without membership your profit is 40. Okay. With membership you will get another additional 20% discount, means 14 rupees discount sir, on 70. So what will be your price? You will be paying 56. They are saying the profit of the retailer with membership, meaning 56. In this case the profit is sir, how much? Profit is 26 rupees. 26 rupees is what percentage of 40 sir into 100. देखो एक लाइन में बन जाता. 13 twos like 2 से sorry 2 से 13 sir, 2 से 20 into 5 देखो 65%. एंड हम पागल थे कि ये कर लिया. अच्छा एक काम करो, पोच ही देता हूँ सर. पोच ही देता हूँ सर, छोड़ दो. मैं कर दू अच्छे से ही कर देता हूँ बिकॉज ये अच्छा मेथड, बहुत ही गंदा मेथड था. करने के बाद समझ में आया सर. देख लो एक बार देख लो सर, एक बार देख लो सर. सर ये हम नहीं लेंगे. दिस वैल्यू वी वोंट बी टेकिंग. सो आई एम टेकिंग एमपी जो है ना सर, मार्क प्राइस आई एम टेकिंग एज 100. ओके. Discount of 30% is there. So meaning SP will be 70 rupees and CP will be how much sir? CP is 70% below, meaning CP is 30 rupees sir. Meaning profit in this situation is 40 rupees. This is one profit without the membership card. Now what happens if you have a membership card? You will get again 20% discount on this. So meaning you will get 14 rupees discount, 7 twos are 14 or by 5, whatever you do. So in that case, your SP will become, sir, how much? 56 rupees. 70 minus 14. Now, in that case, what will be the profit, sir? Profit kitna aayega, sir? Sorry. Profit will be, sir. 30 is CP, 56 SP, sir, 26 rupees. They are asking, sir, ye 26 rupee profit is what percentage of the profit without the membership card? That is 40 rupees. चलो ऐसे ही करते हैं. एक टू इधर 5, एक टू इधर 13. So again we could have skipped all these calculations. हमने बहुत ज्यादा calculation कर लिया. ठीक है? Vignesh, clear brother, कर ही दिया. Yes, Amlesh, works. Perfect. ये easy होता. हमने like that was my mistake, मेरे से miss हो गया actually. Extremely sorry for that. चलो क्या ही होता है. चलो हम भी इंसान है. चलो. No worries sir. जल्दी बनाओ sir. The base of a triangle is increased by 40%. By what percentage should its height be increased so that the area increment is this? Sir, there are AB theorem भी लगा सकते हो honestly, but again, better will be this. Sir, area is what? So सोचो sir. Half is a constant, I'm not taking. Base into height, sir. Because you see why I'm taking this, because half जो है ना sir, that's a constant. So constant always gets cancelled. There is no need to take this. You can avoid this. Now what happened about base? Sir, initial and final, let's see. Sir, base is increased by 40%, meaning if by initial base length was 5 centimeters, it will be increased by 40%. So that is 2 centimeters, it will get increased. So it will become 7, because 40% means 2 by 5. Achha. Now height increment they are asking, but this is for base. Height I don't know, sir. Area, you know, area increment is given as 60%. Meaning if this is 5, sir, this has to be 8. 3 increment. 60 means 3 by 5. Now please understand, so if area is base into height, height can I say it will be area divided by base. The concept of sir compound ratio I told you multiple times. So isko divide kar do, area by base will be height sir 1 5 by 5. And here it will be sir 8 by 7. So the ratio of the height will become 7:8. So increment is 1 unit increment of like on in initial value of 7. So 1 by 7 will be the answer. Percentage terms में 14.28%. ऑप्शन क्या है सर? ये देखो, अच्छा 14.29 है, ठीक है, because this is approximate value 287 होता है. Perfect sir. Simple value, simple question. This technique is very useful, let me remind you guys, for 3D mensuration question as well. 3D mensuration, percentage based mensuration questions. So this is very useful, this technique, for those type of questions as well. Because using AB theorem there is very complicated. Why? Because you might sometimes need to take 2 AB theorems, because 3 values. Cube hota hai. Perfect. Chalo, one more. Sir, unit digit. CGL 22 ka question is this one. Very distinctly I remember. This is a question from CGL 2022, sir. बताओ sir, jaldi se tell me the answer. Sir, I told you unit digit depends on only unit digits. You don't need anything. Remember sir, 1 0 1 5 6. Yes, 4 special numbers है. Again, in my batches, I've told you, I've given multiple things about this. To the power anything, the unit digit is always 6. 7 and 3. So 2, 3, 7, 8. These 4 numbers, it always has the maximum cyclicity, sir. That is 4. So you must divide this power by 4 and exchange it with the remainder. So 38 by 4, remainder will be 2. Sir, again, it is divisible, sir. What will happen? Sir, again, if it is divisible, don't worry. 3 hai to aur bhi worry nahi. So if it is not, so what is the smallest number divisible by 4? 4 itself. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Unit is 1. 1 बैठा था. So 1 minus this plus. अच्छा, this will give you 1 minus 9 plus 6. You will say, sir, ये तो minus 2 आ रहा है. How can my unit digit be minus? Don't worry, sir. If you get, after doing all the stuff, if you get a negative sign, the answer is 10 minus this. Because a digit can never be negative. The number can be negative, but digit can never be negative. So your answer will become option number 1, that is 8. That is 8, sir. Amlesh has given us the correct answer. देखो, number system में आते ही सबका सॉल्यूशन का लाइक सॉल्यूशन देने का सब कुछ थोड़ा लो हो गया. Number system is very important. I need answers from everyone. तो और एक भी अच्छा क्वेश्चंस दिए थे, पता नहीं कहाँ रख के दिया. एक सेकंड रुको ना. नंबर सिस्टम का आई हैड गिवन अनदर गुड क्वेश्चन, पता नहीं कहाँ गया. छोड़ दो सर. अच्छा, लेट्स डू दिस वन. नंबर सिस्टम. Greatest number this which is divisible by 22 but not by 5. So don't look even at this number. ये देखो ही मत, इधर देखो ही मत. Just go with options. So not divisible by 5 means it cannot have a 0 or a 5 at the unit digit. So ये मेरा आंसर कभी नहीं हो सकता. This can never be my answer. Again, it is multiple. Divisible by 22 means it must be divisible by 2 as well as 11. Composite number. So this is an odd number, never divisible by 1. Not possible. So this is between it is Batman versus Superman, right? Now, they're asking the greatest number. So out of these two options, which is the bigger number? This one. I'll start with that. I will start with that. I'll check for 11 multiple. So 2 minus 3, minus 1. 4 minus 6, minus 2. 5 minus 2, plus 3. It is 0. That means it is completely divisible by 11. That's my answer. I will not even check the other. I will not even check the other. Clear, hai, sir? Absolutely clear. This is how you do it. This is how you simply do it. Acha. So this was the thing. Now, there are a few questions left, jo main de dunga, but just a quick recap. Again, for our super elite candidates, one simple thing. You can now reattempt mocks. For those who are joining us for the first time, for those who are joining regularly, they already know. But again, for those who are joining us for the first time, you can actually reattempt all the mocks in our platform twice. But again, remember, this is exclusively for super elite candidates. That part is actually here. Would thak gaya, sir. Amlesh is saying A may be hoga. Sir, please understand, I know A, it will be on A, like in A as well. But please understand this word, brother, greatest. They are asking greatest. So that's why you see I have not checked 3. Oh, sorry, 1. I have checked 3. Why? Because out of these two possible options, which one's bigger? This is a bigger number. So if this is divisible, then I don't need to check that. But again, if I check this one first, then if I had to check this one again. So पहले तो greatest है तो बड़ा से ही start करना है. Clear, brother? Perfect. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Acha. So I was talking about reattempt. So this is the reattempt mocks. So every mock you can take, so like twice in our platform if you are a super elite candidate of ours. Achha. Another thing, all these practice sets, I just told you guys, ki dekho, all the other questions are there. Please do download it and do it or solve it. There are very like selection of very good quality questions. So how to download? Many people have this question. Let me just remind you everyone. So all these PDFs you can download from our Oliveboard application. Go to the courses section and you will see there is a separate section called YouTube class PDFs. And how to filter, because there will be a lot of PDFs for every class. So you can filter it by date and time. So just say for example, today is 15th. So 15th, 5 p.m. will be this class. So you will see it will be written and the title will be exactly as the title of the YouTube session. So जो भी ये class का title है, that will be the title and the date and time will be there. So that way you can filter it out quickly. Okay. Sashi, hi. So I'm about to go, brother. So that was it. Again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you have loved the session. If you have, please do hit that like and I will again see you guys next week with mocks and with another sectional. So again, till then, please take care. And if you have any queries, any feedback, anything at all, any questions, please feel free to use the comment section. For that, I'll be more than happy. I read every comment actually. Okay? So again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.